Hi, my name is Christian and I work on language technology and language AI here at Clear Global. And I wanted today unpack a bit what language data actually is for those of you who are new to the topic. And language data is really any kind of digital representation of language. It might be a book, it might be an article, it might be a video, an audio recording. All of this is language data. We can use all of this to build technology. The thing is that for well-resourced languages like English, for example, there is loads of this data. There are books, centuries worth of them. There are articles, there's online media, there are parliamentary proceedings, various forms of this. The challenge that we face in our work here at Clear Global very often is that for marginalized languages, this data is very hard to find and very often just does not exist. And that's for various reasons. A lot of those languages might only be spoken, they're just not written down usually. The other part might be that a lot of those languages are not the official languages in the countries where they're spoken, which means they're less represented in the media, in education, and the like. And many of the communities who speak those languages might not have access to digital media to record their languages. The problem is that without this data, without this digital representation, it's incredibly hard to build a lot of technology that can be very useful for various applications and for digital access. We cannot build machine translation tools, we cannot build speech recognition tools, we cannot create voice bots or chat bots or any other kind of text processing. So with this video series, and that's just the first of a couple of videos, we want to share a bit what the data is, but also how we use AI to create synthetic or machine generated data, what we do with it, and what the limits of this might be. So if you're interested, please follow along. I'm looking forward to seeing you again.